In the tech realm, Samsung Electronics may be on the mend. It posted an earnings loss in the first quarter from a year ago, although that represents a gain of 13% from the previous quarter and its strongest performance in 3 quarters. LG Electronics also saw its profits fall, but its strong mobile sector is raising the prospects for its second quarter performance. Our Kim Min-ji has the numbers.
Samsung Electronics saw its net profit plunge nearly 40% in the first quarter on the back of weak sales in its smartphone sector. Samsung's net profit for the January to March period was $4.3 billion, down nearly $3 billion from a year ago. Operating profit stood at nearly $6 billion, down nearly 30% from the previous year, while its sales also fell over 12% to $44 billion. Samsung has been losing its place as the world's top smartphone maker. More consumers have been snapping up the larger iPhones, and the strengthening won has made Samsung products more expensive overseas. Still, the company's first quarter earnings represents a gain of 13% from the previous quarter and its strongest performance in 3 quarters, indicating it's on the rebound from its worst earnings in 3 years last year. The company attributed the quarterly gain to improving smartphone and chip sales. Samsung is estimated to have sold more smartphones than Apple in the first quarter, giving the Korean tech giant 24% of the global market. Meanwhile, LG Electronics saw its net profit fall nearly 60% to stand at about $36 million in the first quarter from a year ago. Its operating profit also fell more than 36% to nearly $390 million, while sales stayed almost the same at $13 billion. LG attributed the earnings dent to a decline in TV sales due to weak demand and unfavorable currency exchange rates in emerging markets. Its mobile sector, however, saw an uptick in sales, which came to $3.4 billion, the highest since the first quarter of 2010. LG attributed the rise to strong sales of its flagship smartphone, as well as the popularity of its low-end smartphones in the North American market. The release of LG's new flagship G4 smartphone on Wednesday is expected to further improve profits. The leather-clad smartphone has a slight curve and comes with a 16-megapixel camera that's equivalent to the standards for digital SLR devices. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.